curious to see what he's doing. Oh, he's not on the mat anymore. There he is. Hi. Hi there. What are you doing? Did you roll off your mat while Mommy was making breakfast? Doesn't take long, hey babes? There you go. And jump around. Jump around. Jump around. Jump up and get down. Jump, 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 jump. Everybody jump, 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 jump. And then eat your book. So I have milk. Right now. And I have my oatmeal. Blueberries. And my yogurt. It's time to eat breakfast. Beak! Hi. Happy birthday!
Thanks, guys.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Erica. Happy birthday to you.
Now you gotta blow out the fire.
Hey!
Yeah.
Actually don't, because that took effort.
It's an eyeball.
So psyched. I was like, this dog looks like a bottle cap.
Is it a bottle cap?
It is a bottle cap. I see you.
The rock is cold.
Do you see me?
I do. Bonfire.
Oh, look at you, got your hat all locked.
No.
And you are
Throw the phone book on it. Just throw the phone book directly on it. Ah, that actually worked.
Hey, you got another gray hair.
More wiseness.
Yeah, look.
I can't.
No, I'm gonna show you back. You got a gray hair again. Oh no.
Yeah, it's
Dad.
exciting. I love gray hair. It means I'm getting wise, Erica.
Oh, okay. He's your dad. Thank you.
Morning, guys. It's breakfast time. And today I have oatmeal and milk, and I made a smoothie, and I'm not really sure how it's gonna taste, but we'll see. So let's have a sip of the smoothie first and see. Not bad. I added a bit more yogurt after, and that seemed to help it a lot, so that's good. Let's see what Theo's doing. Hi, baby. Good morning. Are you playing with your jumperoo? Yeah? Nice. You're pretty cute, you know. I tell you that every day, don't I? Yeah, it's true. Yeah, so he's just kind of hanging out in his jumperoo, and Christopher is running away from me. Bye, Christopher. Now, let's go eat. What are you doing over there, Squirmy? You're trying to stand up in your chair. Yeah, you're trying to get out of your chair. Let me help you so you can reach again. Ready? Move your hands. There you go. Where's your gears? Show me how you use them. You do it with your feet. You're doing it with your feet. You silly goose. There you go. Look. Aren't you giraffe? Your giraffe. No, not your giraffe. Your zebra and your tiger. I'm gonna push the table. So it's our first night out as parents. Would actually like being out for longer than a little while for test driving cars.
Yeah.
We're going to Walmart and picking up things, running errands. Woohoo!
Nothing is ever done for a busy parent.
What?
I don't know.
So we're going to Walmart.
Walmart.
Walmart. And we're gonna pick up some things that we need. Oh, maybe we should get a dog gate too. Was it here?
Or
the
bed.
Bed. Yeah, we need to get a few like puppy things.
Yeah, crate. Yeah, the crate was cheapest here.
Yeah, was it or was it Canadian Tire?
No, it was here.
Is it here? Okay. Canadian Tire is right over there. Not that you can tell because I can't turn my freaking camera around.
Unless you move your wrist.
Yeah, but then I had to do it awkwardly.
Wait. I'm turning.
Oh, okay. And
There's
you're-
Canadian Tire. Oh,
Okay.
it's gone.
Yeah, we'll take your word for it. Pea pod and strawberry sleep sacks. Too cute. Also, the mini crib setup
The mini chairs.
and the mini chairs, I just cannot get over. Like, look at this. It's hand-sized.
It's baby Theo sized.
It is baby Theo sized. But they're so cute.
I'd actually rather buy the miniature rocking chair than a real one.
Yeah. I know, I almost feel like saying, when you're finished with this display,
Yeah, like, can we have it?
can we have it?
Hey, look, it's the mommy hook that we made fun of and now understand.
It is. This thing is magical. I don't have one, but it seems like a really good idea. A mini, like, little dealio. Oh, they don't move. This one does, it's broken though. Ooh, this one slides. Uh-huh. Time to grow some bread. Let's see. It smells burnt, eh? Oh, yep. Can we switch?
Why?
It's a burnt line.
That's too bad. I caution.
I won't get your face. There we go. Those sides look pretty. Yeah. Into butter. I got 2. What did you get? Sun-dried tomato, I bet. Are the only ones here.
We don't even have our baby boy. Look at this little kid area. I didn't know that.
There is, yeah.
We could ninja stop this.
Yeah. I remember my doctor's office actually used to have a like toy area, like over by the windows.
Oh yeah?
Used to have like one of those like blue like whale rockers and like bunch toys. And then what was it that came out and everybody got scared? Cyrus, was it? I think.
Probably.
Yeah, I think it was Cyrus.
What did you go with on yours?
I got garlic. Garlic butter.
So you made garlic bread.
I made garlic bread. And I scraped off all the burnt
Wow.
carbs.
They're gonna vacuum again over here, aren't they?
Yeah, they make. That's what I used to do. I used to, when I was first babysitting, I used to make grilled cheese sandwiches for the kids, and they never ate them if they were burnt. And I still didn't master cooking grilled cheese sandwiches, so I used to just take a knife, a butter knife, and go in the garbage, and just kind of gently scrape off all the burnt parts, and then they'd eat it, and it was perfect. It still tastes a little burnt though.
You can tell. But children just judge taste by look.
I'm also realizing I haven't had garlic butter in a very long time. And I'm now associating it with tasting like seafood. Have a bite and see what you think.
No.
Yeah, just try
I
it.
don't want to associate garlic with seafood.
Yeah, but just try it and see what you think. Does that taste seafoody to you?
Yes.
Yeah. Not just me. That's what I'm getting for dessert.
Brownie skillet. They not have the apple one anymore? Oh, there you are, apple skillet.
I don't think I've ever seen you have that
I've had it twice.
with me.
Yes. I don't think I've been to Pizza Delay without you.
That's funny. Food's here.
What?
So you got
The super thing is like a garlic fingers with a donair with stuffed crust for $12.
pretty good. And I got the tiniest little pizza.
The individual
Seafood pizza. And it doesn't have a tomato base, although I'm pretty sure I see a pepper right now and I could cry. Do you think that's a pepper?
I don't know what that is.
I think it's a pepper. Let's pick it up and see.
I thought you meant this.
It also looks like a pepper, doesn't it?
Sun-dried tomato.
I don't know.
I'll taste it. No, seafood. Can't do that.
Oh, it's probably lobster. Time to eat.
Enjoy.
And gone.
It's not happening for me.
How's yours?
It was really, really good.
You want to take it to go?
Take it home, yes. Side note. When I just said, Aria, I love you, you know what I thought of? That video from back in the day. Like, I guess just after you visited, when it was my birthday in Corner Brook. Where it was like, I was tired of the YouTube comments saying, like, I was cute and stuff. I was like,
Oh, yeah.
here's my girlfriend. And then, like, less than 3 months later, you were my fiance. Yeah, like I do every time I have a skillet here. For some reason.
Yeah.
Whether it's nachos, or chocolate, or caramel, for some reason I always lick it. not going to.
Brownie skillet, which looks 100 times better. Just saying.
Says people who aren't fans of apples.
I love apples.
You're not an apple fan. Love, you're not a fan.
This looks good. This is huge. This is a lot bigger than it usually is, I think. Not sizzling though.
About the right size.
It's a lot more like stuff on it.
Yeah, there's not normally that much whipped cream.
Yeah. Look at it. Let's get some whipped cream. And ice cream. Ice cream's my favorite part. Okay, time to eat. One thing that's very important to me at restaurants is my lemon water. And it drives me nuts when the waitress or waiter takes the water away when I have soaked my entire lemons in it. And they've just been like sitting there for a while, and then they take it and it's like, no, now I have to start over with more lemons.
They didn't do that yet.
She didn't do it, she topped it up and it's amazing. I'm so pleased. 2 minutes later.
Shush you.
This is what remains, but I'm taking it to go because I'm not wasting it. So it's going home in a box. Ice cream now. It will be eaten later. Hi, baby. We're home. And Daddy's already asleep on the bed. There he is, sleeping away. Tickly, tickly, tickly. All right. So we're gonna sign out for the night. Say good night.
Night night.
Good night, everybody. Bye. Taco Cat spelled backwards is Taco Cat. Hashtag mind blown. It's a girl's hoodie,
Women's.
women's hoodie.
So just one move away from men's.
Yep.